Welcome to the spectroscopy simulation. In this simulation, you will test various samples using a simple spectroscope to determine the solution's concentration. To begin, click on the Sim tab. You will see a virtual lab with a spectroscope made up of a laser and a voltmeter, two different stock solutions, water, a pipette, and two unknown solutions. You must take samples from the stock and add it to the cuvette in the center of the workbench. You can test just the stock solution, just the water, or a mix of the stock solution and water. The amounts of each must be a multiple of 25, and the total must equal 100 drops. If you put the wrong amount of drops in the cuvette, then you must click the New button to start over. In this example, I will use 25 drops of solution A and 75 drops of water. Click on the pipette and drag it to a stock solution. This will fill the pipette. Drag the pipette to the cuvette and click on the plunger to release one drop. If you hold the plunger down, it will continue to release drops of solution into the cuvette. Be sure to count the drops carefully. If you lose count of how many drops you have placed into the cuvette, place the pipette back on the shelf and a message will come up telling you how many drops of water and how many drops of solution you have placed into the cuvette. To add water to the cuvette, drag the pipette to the water beaker. Now drag it to the cuvette and place and hold the plunger to release the water. Again, be sure to count the drops carefully. Once you have placed 100 drops into the cuvette, place the pipette back on the shelf. It is now time to use the spectroscope. Turn out the lights by clicking on the switch on the left side of the screen. It is very important that the lights be turned off in order to get an accurate reading. Turn on the Laser 2000 on the left and the voltmeter on the right. After recording your readings, turn off the equipment and click on the light switch to turn the lights back on. To test another concentration or solution, click on the New button.